Hi, this is NZDJPY pair. We are looking at the daily chart. This is another yen pair. Today it's Sunday, 5th of May 2013, and in a while markets will open. It's 21:32 GMT right now, and I'm going to use another favorite system of mine, the combination of Bollinger Bands, um, fractals. You see those small arrows, uh, and alligator, the three colored lines. And using this combination, there are certain criteria for entries and exits. Uh, we wait for a valid fractal to be formed. A fractal is being formed after there is a fractal is practically a swing high or a swing low, and it has two candlesticks on its side. It's a formation of 5 candlesticks, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and 1 in the middle. Now, valid fractals are the fractals which are on the one of the 3 Bollinger Bands. On the upper Bollinger Band, on the lower Bollinger Band, or in the middle Bollinger Band. And we consider them valid if, for instance, if this is an upper Bollinger Band fractal. It is above the alligator's teeth, which is the red line, and it is valid. It is Berry's reversal fractal because when the fractal was formed, and that happened when we were here, because it takes 2 more candlesticks for the fractal to be characterized and labeled. So when the fractal was formed, the leading alligator made the downward curve. So it gave us a valid signal to enter short. Then we had a valid bullish reversal fractal formed here. When it was formed here, then we were this candlestick, and the price, the fractal was below, marginally below the alligator's teeth, and the leading alligator was curving slightly upwards. And then we had this upward move. Now we are expecting this candlestick to be labeled as a fractal. This will happen when markets open, and because it will be a fractal below the median Bollinger Band line, and it will be below the red line of alligator's teeth, and because our leading alligator is curved upwards, this fractal is a valid bullish reversal fractal. So we can enter long somewhere here on when market opens, and we can place our stop a few pips below the fractal. And depending on our account's tolerance, if this distance between our entry and our stop loss is more than 3% of our account equity, then we could put alternatively our stop a few pips below the opening of this candlestick, although ideally you should put it here. So we wait for the markets to open for us to enter long, and let's see the bigger picture on the weekly chart. You see that the leading alligator is crazily bullish, so the main trend is bullish, and all the fractals, all the Berry's reversal fractals are invalid because leading alligator is not curved downwards, so we don't pay attention to them. and the price is moving on the upper Bollinger Band here. Let's see something else. On the daily chart, we see that the Bollinger Bands, their edges are closing, are looking inwards, so they act as breaks. It means that we are entering a contraction phase and a consolidation phase, and price gathers steam for a big breakout. So if we enter here, we after a few fluctuations, a period of sideways movements on the daily chart, we should expect a big breakout, and it will be bullish if we base our if we judge from leading alligators image here, and of course if we see that the main trend on the weekly chart is upwards, and the same on the monthly chart. Look on the monthly chart how the Bollinger Band's edges are turned outwards, which means that the price move on the upper Bollinger Band is extreme, and it signals continuation, at least for now. Then we see how wildly turned upwards the alligator is, and we are sure that the pair is going to go upwards like crazy. So jump on it. Make sure your stop doesn't get hit, and make a smart money management for which will allow you to multiply your capital. You can multiply your capital by managing your trades, trading just one pair. Thanks for watching, and happy pips.